Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei once again threatened Israel, saying that Israel is a dangerous, deadly, cancerous tumor in the region that must be uprooted and will be uprooted. Meanwhile, on Sunday, the Israeli army continued the genocide across the devastated, starved and besieged Gaza Strip, bringing the number of slain Palestinians in the past 24 hours to at least 151. The sources added that one of the injured individuals succumbed to their wounds at the in-nation hospitals in northern Gaza after being targeted by Israeli drones. Patients and the wounded remain trapped inside intensive care units with no way to escape and no access to proper treatment.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।